क्या कहूँ, आंखों ने मेरी सब कह दिया, एक तू ही जीने का मतलब कह दिया। ओ क्या कहूँ, आंखों ने मेरी सब कह दिया, एक तू ही जीने का मतलब कह दिया। अब सांसें चले ना चले क्या फिकर, तू चले साथ तो खूबसूरत सफर। तेरी राहों में मेरा जहां के रंग लग गया इश्क दा, के रंग लग गया इश्क दा। मैं तेरा होया इस तरह, के रंग लग गया इश्क दा। कि तेरे बिन आधा सा हुआ, अधूरा कोई वादा सा हुआ। कि तेरे बिन आधा सा हुआ, अधूरा कोई वादा सा हुआ। जो पहले कुछ कम था दीवाना, मैं आज ज्यादा हुआ। रहने को मिल गया तेरे दिल का शहर, है यहाँ धूप भी जैसे ठंडी लहर। वक्त ऐसे हुआ मेहरबान, के
मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे
और दिखा तो तुझे मेरा वाला डांस ये मेरा वाला डांस और दिखा तो तुझे मेरा वाला डांस
पढ़ ली बहुत ठंडियां पढ़ ली बहुत अभी बंद कर ली बहुत याद करूंगा
একটা বারান্দায় আমি দাঁড়িয়েছিলাম ম্যাজিক চোখ তাকিয়ে যে চলে গেলে শীতে আরাম দেয় সেই রকমই চাদর মেলে ফেলেছি খেলার ছলে তোমার কোলে এভাবে গল্প হয় আমাদের রূপকথায় আমাদের রূপকথায় দিন আর দুষ্টুমিরা নিয়ে পৌঁছে দিক আমায় তোমার পুকুর পাড়ে কাটবো সাঁতার দেখবো শ্যাওলা গাছে রাজি হও যদি খেলার ছলে তোমার জলে এভাবে আমাদের রূপকথায় এভাবে গল্প হোক আমাদের রূপকথায় কিছুটা ছেলে মানুষই মেনেও তো ভালোবাসি বলে কই কথা দিয়ে যাও দেখো না এনেছি সাথে মধুমাখা দিনে রাতে আমার মনের জোছনা এভাবে গল্প হোক আমাদের রূপকথায় এভাবে গল্প হয় আমাদের রূপকথায় এভাবে গল্প হোক আমাদের রূপকথায় এভাবেই
सुभगे त्वं जीव शरदः शतम् माङ्गल्यं तन्तुनानेन मम जीवन हेतुना कण्ठे बध्नामि सुभगे त्वं जीव शरदः शतम् विष्णु मङ्गलं गरुडध्वज मङ्गलं पुण्डरीकाक्ष मङ्गलाय तनोहरे मङ्गलं भगवान् विष्णु मङ्गलं गरुडध्वज मङ्गलं पुण्डरीकाक्ष मङ्गलाय तनोहरे विष्णु मङ्गलं गरुडध्वज मङ्गलं पुण्डरीकाक्ष मङ्गलाय तनोहरे
This is so insane for me to see, since you were the 11 or 12, or not even, the 15 or 16-year-old that would used to steal shilpa from me when you guys would have dinner together at your house. But I'm so happy that we've evolved from you being the person that stole my sister from me to my second sister, and I'm just so excited for your life and for you to just experience everything, and that I hope I get to just see it all and see you thrive and blossom and everything.
Congratulations, Sneha. I'm so happy for you. You and Ush seem so happy together, and I think you just make a great pair. I really enjoyed getting to know you more over the last couple years. I feel like we really bonded in a significant way. All right, I love you. Congratulations.
I said all I could say in my maid of honor speech, but of course, as you know, there is so much more in my head that I haven't said. But I love you so much, and I am so happy for you and Ush, and I cannot wait to see everything that you guys are going to do together.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you.
this is just our chance, I think, among many, hopefully, to thank everyone for being here. The last few weeks of our lives and the lives of our families, and certainly the folks who are part of this event planning endeavor, have been this sort of list of mundanities. Like, just, you know, you're part of 50 WhatsApp groups, there's 1,000 Excel spreadsheets, there's, you know, a bunch of sync up meetings. Everyone's a little bit excited and confused at the same time. That was our reality. But what I was not prepared for was how much unbelievable joy I feel at how having all of these people come from all over the world to celebrate our love. And it really, like, it just, I don't know. I'm so happy. You have no idea. Yeah.
What he said. Okay, so seriously, thank you all so much. Thank you especially to our parents who have been putting in blood, sweat, tears, night and day, working so hard to help this happen. While we've been, you know, working overnight shifts and in the hospital, they've been doing all of this. So thank you so much to them. Both of our parents, we appreciate you so much.
It's a choice that you came here to celebrate with us together this special, very special moments. So thank you.
Thanks to all the volunteers, you know, who helped us to come to this point, and of course the thanks to Raj, Archana. We as a team worked together last 6 months to plan for this wedding event. Thank you, all of you.
We are so happy that she could not have found a better person to be her life partner for the rest of their life. Ush, we are thrilled to welcome you into our family with open arms. Ush and Sneha, please accept our sincere blessings from the deepest part of our heart as you begin your new phase in your life. Thank you. Thank you all.
Prepared for anything. I just want to thank each and every one of you for coming. It's like I felt so overwhelmed because there was so much work to do. We don't know what to do. We had all these event planners and we had so many extra help. And family and friends kept asking us what to do, what to do, what to do. I didn't tell them anything, but they just came and did it. I didn't realize there was so much work to be done. But with the family, with the community, we made it. We finished the ceremony. We finished it well. So thank you very much.
Now this event may be the biggest event in Sneha's life, but I would like to talk about the biggest event in her life before meeting Ush. That's right, 1998 when I was born. I don't know how many of you have seen our family videos, but you really should. It's really great to see how much energy she had. Especially whenever the camera was on me, she would get very jealous and run in front of the camera and start singing and dancing. I know that you're going to go many places on your journey, and I just wanted to know that I'll always be here to help you and support you. Thank you.
It takes place in my childhood home. I'm probably 8 or 9, and I've invited my close friends for a Santa-themed pajama party. Sneha sits at the end of the dining room table, and she has her long black hair pulled back in a ponytail. Some years ago, I think we may have been in college, I'm at Sneha's home, and Archana Auntie is there as well. I shared this memory with Sneha. She looks at me with a very confused expression and says, "Shilpa, I've never had long hair." I will conclude by saying this, now putting the spotlight back on you guys. Make the most of your life together, show up for each other, and to quote Severus Snape, cherish one another always. Thank you.
Seriously, this is generous, this is extraordinary, and thank you for having this motley crew at this unbelievable occasion. And we are just so lucky to share in it, and we know that your light together will be unbelievably bright. So we wish you many happy, healthy years together, and congratulations.
हलमते हबीब
Call me baby.
बड़ा बिड़ाలకు ఫిగర్ సడక సడక కడకు ఒకరి స్టైల్ ని కొంచె ऊपर ఇష్ 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 మార్
नाचूंगा ऐसे उड़ती पतंग जैसे झूमे हवाओं के संग ना मुझको रोको ना मुझको टोको मैं हूँ मस्ती में मस्त मलंग
కొరలా దిక్కుతోని ఊపిరంతా ఆపినవే
ఏ రంగురాళ్ళ కళ్ళతోనే ఉంగరాల ఉప్పినవే పని
ఇట్లాంటివన్నీ అలవాటే లేదే అట్లాంటి నాకి తడబాట సలేందే గుండె తడగుందే పిడిగుందే చడిసిందే నిన్ను గదపడమని తెగ పిలిచినదే
हलमते हबीब हलमते हबीब दाले हलमते हबीब हलमते हबीब वंदा हलमते हबीब
ये बिजली पड़ली बहुत ठंडियां पड़ली बहुत अति मत करली बहुत याद करूंगा
हलमते हबीब हलमते हबीब दाले हलमते हबीब हलमते हबीब वंदा हलमते हबीब हलमते हबीब दाले हलमते हबीब
అంతకన్నా మంచి పోలికేది నాకు తట్టలేదు గానీ అమ్మో అవన్నీ బలు బమ్ము అంటుకున్నారండి పోదు నమ్ము ముందు నుంచి అందరన్నా మాటే రాని మళ్ళీ అంటున్నానే అమ్మో ఇది చెప్పకుండా వచ్చుతుందో ప్రేమ నా పరిగు నన్ను
मीडिया बोले जो मेरे बारे में बातें वो सारी irrelevant make me come into my element keep riding the elephant बसेगा parla baby ये कैसे से प्यासी baby ये कैसे से पागल
Hey media mata, do you wanna say what's up? Nama wore sikala, nja jigi jigi jai.
media ni yan dream lavani number 1 na sera fire pati kircha
टच करके कहाँ चलती बच करके